Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be holding a meeting with NDA allies today before the Parliament session starts. The meeting will happen around 9:30 a.m. in the Parliament premises. Remember, viewers, this is a crucial meeting as Prime Minister Modi is expected to give his very first address to the MPs in the Lok Sabha in his third term on the floor of the House. We're, of course, anticipating the proceedings to commence at around 11 a.m. today itself, but a crucial meeting has taken place before the session is commencing. This, of course, you can see visuals right there, live visuals on your screens. Arjun Ram Meghwal is arriving for the meeting at the moment. Several key BJP leaders are in fact coming into the Parliament premises at the moment. They are being welcomed in the Parliament. Meanwhile, my colleague Mehendi Garg with us on the broadcast. Mehendi, key NDA meeting is to be held today. Who all can we expect to attend this meeting that will be held by the Prime Minister?
Narendra Modi is all set to address the parliament in his third term for the very first time, and before that PM Modi is poised to deliver a crucial address at the NDA parliamentary party meet that will happen at 9:30, and according to the visuals also that all the senior leaders, the NDA MPs and the BJP leaders have started to gather around the parliamentary premises to attend this important meet which will be led by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And Priya, this will be his first speech to MPs of the ruling coalition during the initial session since commencing his third term in the office. And historically, if we talk, then Modi has addressed NDA MPs on selective occasions, particularly when he was chosen as their leader ahead of each of his 3 terms. And however, Priya, also his speeches are more frequently directed at the BJP MPs during parliamentary sessions also. So the official sources have confirmed that all BJP members and their alliance partners have been notified and urged to participate in getting held in the parliamentary premises. And also this development is significant also, Priya, as the BJP has for the very first time since 2014 lost its majority in the Lok Sabha following the recent elections. So the party now relies heavily on its allies for maintaining the government. And as we all know that BJP has secured 240 seats while its allies have secured 53, allowing the NDA to comfortably exceed the halfway mark in the 543-member House. So this NDA parliamentary meet that coincides with the discussions in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha on the motion of thanks to President Draupadi Murmu's address to a joint session of Parliament, where Modi is also expected to respond to the debates in both houses. So ahead of all these things, this parliamentary meet is also very crucial. Yes?
Indeed, and it seems that several leaders, of course, I just mentioned that Arjun Ram Meghwal has arrived as well, but it seems that Giriraj Singh, Milind Deora, Kangana Ranaut, Jayant Chaudhary have also arrived. When can we expect other crucial leaders from the NDA? Will Chirag Paswan be attending the meeting today as well?
If we talk about the timing of this meeting, then according to the sources, this meeting will start at 9:30 a.m. sharp. So the leaders of the BJP have started coming to the premises, and as we saw the visuals that Arjun Ram Meghwal, Kangana Ranaut and Giriraj Singh have arrived, but all the BJP MPs, the new elected MPs are expected to join this meeting. And also, if we talk about the allies, then they can also attend the meeting according to the sources. Yes, Priya.
Indeed, Shivraj Singh Chauhan has also, in fact, arrived. Mehendi, stay on with us, stay on, because even as we continue to track these live developments, a lot took place in the Parliament yesterday itself. Rahul Gandhi had made his first speech on the floor as the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha. He had addressed many issues. He had spoken about the NEET paper leaks. He had spoken about the Agniveer scheme, but that's not all. He has also triggered a mega political slugfest after his remarks on the Hindu faith. This, in fact, triggered a response from the Prime Minister, who called these remarks a very serious matter, something to be looked into. These remarks were eventually expunged. But of course, we are expecting the Prime Minister to take to the floor today. Mehendi, stay on with us. Before that, let's take a glimpse into what exactly took place yesterday as well.
वो 24 घंटा हिंसा 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 नफरत 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 असत्य सत्य असत्य
पूरे हिंदू समाज को हिंसक कहना ये गंभीर विषय है।
All right, there of course we've taken a look at what transpired in the parliament yesterday itself. My colleague Mehendi Garg still with us on the broadcast. Of course, viewers, right there you can see Bhupendra Yadav also in fact going into the meeting, arriving. We are continuing to reflect live shots for all you viewers from the Sansad Bhavan. There you have it, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Union Minister, also arriving to the Sansad Bhavan for the meeting. Mehendi, what issues are we expecting the Prime Minister to in fact address the MPs on? He's of course, and the BJP has of course been breaking up several issues, including the emergency as well as their game plan for Modi 3.0. Will these all reflect in his address with the members, NDA members of Parliament today?
Well, yes, Pia, it's very much expected that the emergency issue that has been raised by the BJP in the recent days can come up in this meeting, because it's a very crucial time for the Bharatiya Janata Party, as this is the first session that is being held in the third term of Modi's government, and this emergency issue have been hyped up by the BJP, and all the MPs and all the senior leaders are targeting the Congress party, and all the the senior leaders of the Congress or the past leaders who were there in the emergency time. So this is a very crucial time for the BJP, and they can put up this issue once again, and this meeting, and also in this meeting, Pia, this issue can be discussed. But along with that, as we all know that yesterday how Rahul Gandhi targeted different issues, whether we talk about the Hinduism that he talked about, or the NEET issue, the Agniveer issue that Rahul Gandhi as the leader of opposition has put up in the session, then it can be expected that the Hinduism issue can also be the key factor of this meeting, because yesterday also we saw that Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, everyone opposed and take a backlash over that comment of Rahul Gandhi, on which he specifically showed the picture of Shiv Bhagwan in the session, and the war of words has started in the session yesterday only, and today also it has been expected that this issue can be can take a very much heated up conversation between both the parties. So yes, these can be the major issues that can be the point of discussion between all the newly elected MPs and all the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party before the session starts at 11 a.m. in this meeting that has started, because it's 9:30 already. Only 2 minutes have been left to the meeting to start, and all the senior leaders we are also seeing that are joined by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So yes, these are the key issues that can be discussed in this meeting. Yes,
indeed. And speaking of senior leaders arriving, we just saw JP Nadda, Union Minister as well as BJP chief, walk in. He was accompanied by Ramdas Athavale as well. Of course, Arjun Ram Meghwal, he's at the doorstep welcoming all of these key leaders as well. We're expecting the Prime Minister to also arrive very shortly. Right there on your screens, viewers, several other key BJP leaders are continuously arriving at the Sansad Bhavan. In fact, and Mehendi, you've spoken considerably about what took place yesterday in the Parliament. Let's also take a look at the fact that the BJP has been consistently demanding an apology from Rahul Gandhi. Remember, his remarks were also expunged.
Well, yes, Pia, the BJP is demanding an apology from Rahul Gandhi, and as the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi for the very first time, was seen to be very aggressive in the session yesterday that we all saw, because the topic of Hinduism that he has targeted, we can say, is a very soft point for the BJP, and this issue will be taken up by BJP more aggressively. And for starters, if we talk about Pia, then they are demanding an apology, but it will be very interesting to see that as a leader of opposition and as the very senior leader of Congress, will Rahul Gandhi apologize to his comments or not? It will be very interesting to see that, but BJP will not, give up this issue, and it can take, more heat on this issue, and the politics, the war of words, and the backlashes can increase on this issue. Yes, Pia.
Indeed, in fact, we are also seeing Manohar Lal Khattar arrive. Just a few moments back, we also saw Prahlad Joshi arrive at the Sansad Bhavan as well. Viewers, developments are continuing to trickle in. We are shortly, in fact, expecting Union Home Minister Amit Shah to also arrive at the premises itself. And of course, Prime Minister Modi will be arriving at the end, and then he will be addressing all of the leaders, the NDA leaders who have convened in the parliament today itself. And speaking about this, our parliament session, the Lok Sabha is scheduled to in fact commence at 11 a.m. today morning itself. We've been, seeing a lot of discourse, debate, discussion with regards to what transpired yesterday in the parliament itself. But live visuals right there on your screen, viewers, union ministers and NDA leaders continuously arriving at the Sansad Bhavan in the national capital, where Prime Minister Modi is expected to arrive very shortly. Meanwhile, of course, we are keeping an eye out on live visuals that are coming in. Union Home Minister Amit Shah also will be arriving very shortly. But right there, of course, viewers, we've been seeing JP Nadda arriving, Prahlad Joshi, Ramdas Athawale, Giriraj Singh, Milind Deora, as well. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat also just walked in a few moments back. We saw Manohar Lal Khattar come in as well. Arjun Ram Meghwal on the premises. He is welcoming all of the leaders. But viewers, in the meantime, as I stated earlier, let's take a look at what in fact transpired yesterday in the parliament. Remember, there's been a war of words that has been going on between the BJP and the opposition itself. But of course, we are continuing to track live visuals right there, of course, on your screens, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. But in the meantime, let's also listen in to Amit Shah's fiery statement on the floor of the Lok Sabha yesterday.
शोर शराबा कर इतने बड़े वाकया को छिपाया नहीं जा सकता। विपक्ष के नेताजी ने कैटेगोरिकली कहा है कि जो अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो हिंसा करते हैं। मैं फिर से रिपीट करना चाहता हूं, उनका वाक्य था, जो अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो हिंसा की बात करते हैं, हिंसा करते हैं। मान्यवर, इस देश में शायद इनको मालूम नहीं है, करोड़ों लोग अपने आप को गर्व से हिंदू कहते हैं, गर्व से हिंदू कहते हैं। क्या वो सभी लोग हिंसा की बात करते हैं, हिंसा करते हैं?
All right, there, of course, we've just heard Amit Shah's fiery statement yesterday at the floor of the Lok Sabha. He's, of course, demanded an apology from Rahul Gandhi. Remember, viewers, after Rahul Gandhi's remarks yesterday, in fact, they were expunged in the parliament, but post that, of course, a crucial meeting was held, and right now, of course, we're expecting a very important meeting of the NDA MPs to take place. We are expecting the Prime Minister to be addressing all the NDA MPs. We're expecting leaders from the allies to be present as well. Jayant Chaudhary had arrived just a few moments back. We're expecting leaders from the TDP as well as the JDU to be present, the Shiv Sena to be present as well. Several union ministers are arriving in the Sansad Bhavan even as we speak. But Mendi, still with us on the broadcast. Mendi, of course, it is what will take place in the parliament on the floor of the Lok Sabha that is perhaps the most interesting. We're expecting, of course, the Prime Minister to address the MPs of the House. This will be his first major speech in the Lok Sabha, the 18th Lok Sabha, where he will be addressing the lower house of the parliament. What can we expect from his speech? This time around we've been seeing the BJP raking up the issue of the emergency as well as some of and what exactly the Congress is rebuttal is at the moment. What can we expect in a few hours from now?
Well, yes, Pierre, if we talk about the first speech that Prime Minister Modi will give in the session today, it will be very interesting to see because we all saw that how the session, yesterday's session went. So today, it will be a very interesting speech by Prime Minister Modi because the issues that has been risen by the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, whether it's the Hinduism issue, whether the NEET issue, the Agniveer issue, and if we talk about the BJP's issue that they're taking up, the emergency thing that they are talking about very frequently from the past few days. These can be the major issues that can be risen by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his first speech. And also it's a very important speech here because, in the third term, Prime Minister will give his first speech in the session today. So it's also a reply to the motion of thanks on the President's address in the Lok Sabha. But the war of words...
All right, I must interject right there on your screens. You can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi arriving for the meeting. He's, of course, being accompanied by Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju as well as Arjun Ram Meghwal. Those were visuals of the Prime Minister arriving at the Sansad Bhavan in the national capital that we had just reflected for all of you. Of course, Mehndi has been taking us through what can we expect today at 11 a.m. as well, and what will transpire post that. But of course, Prime Minister Modi has just arrived at the Sansad Bhavan. He will be addressing the members of the NDA bloc and he'll be speaking to them. Also present are several other senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju was just seen accompanying the Prime Minister. Arjun Ram Meghwal is there, Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is also there, Giriraj Singh is there as well. Prahlad Joshi has also arrived, Ramdas Athawale, Nitin Gadkari also present for the meeting, several other NDA allies also there. If we've just in fact shown the Prime Minister arriving, if we can put out those shots once again so that our viewers can get more context as to what exactly has taken place. We've of course just been addressing the fact that PM Modi has arrived for this meeting with the NDA MPs. It is expected that he will first be felicitated before addressing the gathering. Those right there are those visuals. You can also see Union Minister Jitendra Singh also accompanying PM Modi along with Kiren Rijiju and Arjun Ram Meghwal as well.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.